everyone, welcome to my channel. Today guys, of course I bought some a few things from online, and this is I get, and this is the one also. So which one you like, guys? Anyway, before we proceed that, I just want to say hello. I miss you all. So why I bought this kind? So they said that primer is good, so I bought this one. This is the one is bought for makeup primer. It has fix and protect. See, I don't know if you can see, guys. Yeah, yeah. Okay, and then another one, you just check. And another one is here. This one is 20. This is a SPF F SPF 25. This one is 24. No, it's 8 hours. It's here, makeup primer. Right, and another one is strobe green hydrant luminox. This one as well. Okay, when I bought this MAC, I get a free lipstick. See, the name is Reverence. Smells good. I love it. Okay, guys, just only too quick. This is the one I bought it. So which one I bought, guys? Which one, right? Of course, Namshi. Yeah, they deliver fast and they are good. Really, it's nice. You must buy online, only Namshi. Okay, guys. Sorry, I know it's very quick. See you next time again. Bye.